Slicer visual, basically slicer visual is used when you want to see any particular category, any particular country, any particular city, any particular region dataset. So we add slicer to make our dashboard more interactive by using or by adding the filtering option. So basically slicer gives us the filtering option. So when to use it? To allow user to filter visuals dynamically, like selecting dates or categories. So when we add any slicer, and our client want to see the sales of month for any particular date, then he or she can simply click on that particular date. So the slicer will give him the sales of that particular date in a single click. So for labeling option, the filtering category. So in field option, you have to add the category which you want to show the results by on a simple click. Then you can select its style. So when you add a slicer into your visuals, it can be shown by list option, drop down option, or slider, depending upon the nature of your data set, depending upon the nature of your client and how you want to show your data set. And then you can change its orientation horizontally or vertically, and there are no axis option available in slicer visual. So now here you can see that we have a slicer here, and we have make its style to tile option. You can change its also vertical list and drop down option as well. So when you click on any slicer, it will give you the filtering option according to your category, according to your city, according to your state. It depends that what kind of filtering you have applied on your data set.